Here we come to the elevator at 3509 Hulen Street in Fort Worth, Texas. It's got your original Type A call button. It's a Westinghouse from the 70s. That's gotta be in the 70s. Check this out. It's got a metal bumper. Look at this. That call button's gotta be in the 70s. On one. Go for one more ride. All right, we're gonna go back down to one end there. See, the inside fixtures are EPCO circle line, but the outside fixtures has original older Westinghouse Type A call button from the 70s. I wonder if this is a newer Westinghouse, but used the original older call button at that time. It makes me wonder. Anyways, we're gonna end the video here. Look how small this thing is. This thing's quite tiny. I love that button right there. Won't focus on it. There we go. There it goes. And that's it.